Broiled fish. A main dish from Somalia. Serves 2. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Sauté fish into a long pan of salted warm water. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Step 2. Place fish into a 350-degree Fahrenheit conventional oven or grill for about 10 minutes. Step 3. Take out the fish and sprinkle salt, accent, and pepper all over it. Step 4. Put the fish back inside the oven or on top of a grill. Remove from oven or fire as soon fish begins to flake. And nbsp. If fish appears dry, brush it carefully with seasoned oil or butter. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.